Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk to y'all about the NCO Karla bag organizer bagInbag insert. This particular brand, NCO, is one that we just got in at Zahramay Boutique. I'm pretty sure that we are the only ones in Australia that now stock NCO, so it is kind of a huge deal. I'm really excited because these are amazing quality inserts. They have leather trim, amazing material that just lasts and lasts. So I'm really excited to have these particular products available for Australian mums and everything. So this is the Kalla. This is the largest of the three bagInbags. Basically, there's the Inari, the Samia, and then the Kalla. I have done other videos on the Samia before because I have owned one for over a year and I love it. But when I got my stock in for Zahramay Boutique, I wanted to try the Kalla because I've seen some pictures and a couple of videos, not many on it, and it just looks like a great option. So this is in the plum and coral. I really liked this combo and I just thought it would look great even if you used it as a handbag. Now, I didn't realize this when I bought these, but apparently they do come with messenger straps. These have black hardware on them and they're really nice. I actually own a leather messenger strap that NCO makes and I use it on all my JuJuBe quicks and little handbag things that need a messenger strap because it's such great quality. But I think it's neat that this actually comes with a messenger strap because this can actually be worn as a handbag. There are little holes on the side here that you can attach the messenger strap through very easily, like this. And then on the other side, like this, and you can actually use it as a handbag, and I think it looks fine. I think it looks great. So what I have it packed up today for is tomorrow, it's Saturday, so I'm going to be going out with all my kids' haircuts, shopping, all that jazz. So I actually have things in here basically for my two daughters, and I haven't decided. I haven't decided whether I want to take it like this or whether I want to put it into another bag. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I have it packed up, and then I have 4 other bags that I want to show you how it goes into. I have the Jade Lorie in blush. I have the Logan Lenora carryall tote. I have the JuJuBe Super B and the JuJuBe Be Classy. And I want to show you guys how this fits into those bags. So a couple of them I haven't even tried it in, so it'll be a little experiment for me. So let's get started on the packing portion. I will just take this off here. I'll go over the features as we go. So in the front here you do have 3 pockets. And they are quite long pockets. They do go all the way down. And on this side I just have my Tokidoki coin purse with my lipstick and lip gloss. In the middle one I have my iPhone 10. And then in the other side here I have my keys. Now I actually have a NCO keychain here, and this is the second one I've had, and these things are amazing. I love them because you can actually attach them like you have here. This is what I have here. This is what this little ring here is for. Actually, it's for your keys, but because it's leather and this clip is so easy to get on and off stuff, it's just awesome. So that's where I had my keys, and as you can see, I can stick my whole, do on the side, I can stick my whole hand down to the bottom here, and it is very roomy. First of all, you got grab handles, which is really cool because it's very easy to grab. On the side here, you do have that little hole that I showed you. You also have a clip here that you can clip together, and you can make this a little bit smaller if you wanted to. I just have it unclipped because I want to use the full capacity of the insert. On the back here, there is a button together slip pocket, and in here, I actually put my disposable nappy needs. So I've got 2 size 5 diapers in here, nappies. And then I also have a light change pad from an XY base, a JuJuBe XY base, and that fits in there perfectly. So I love that because it's just kind of away from everything. Now the rest of the things are inside the insert, so I'll see if I can get a more top-down view for y'all so you can see it better. Okay, so you've got a leather little zipper pull right here, and as you can see, this is it with it closed. There's a long zipper with a leather tab on the end here. And I just kind of put in as much as I could to kind of show you how much this does pack. So on the top here I have my Baby Olay nursing scarf that I use as a scarf. This is in the Unikiki print. And then here's the rest of the things in the middle here. Now there are elastic pockets on either side here, and you can fit, I'll show you, can fit a funtainer in here. See, easy peasy. I had a little bit of trouble getting in the Contigo water bottle into the other one. You could get it in, but it was really hard to get it out. So I've actually just decided to pop the bottles in without putting them in that little elastic pocket, but you could easily do it if you wanted to. So I'll just pop that out for now. So I have, as I said, I have a Funtainer and a Contigo water bottle. And in the center here, I have 2 play packs for my daughters, Minnie Mouse and a Dr. McStuffins. And then I have a Y Pouch 30 in the middle. And my Pure Accessories wallet. And as you could have seen, I could put a lot more in there if I wanted to, but that's all I needed. There is a zipper compartment at the back here. And in here, I just have my Baby Olay wet and dry bag. And then there are 3 pockets, kind of very similar to the Samia, just bigger, of course. So in this side here, I have my Hello Kitty coin purse with disposable baggies. And then in each one of these other pockets, I have an Itsy Ritzy snack bag with some nuts and stuff in there. And then I have another Itsy Ritzy snack bag with some dry kind of fruit. I think this is dry mango. It's yummy. Don't have anything in that pocket here. And I'll just kind of turn this around so you can see this side a little better. So same kind of organization, 3 pockets. So the only ones I have something in are this one here, which is my small set piece in chrome with all my mommy and med kit needs. And then in the other one, actually there's 1, 2, 3, 4 pockets. I apologize. And there's 4 on the other side. I just missed one. I'm going to blend it in. So in this one, I have my hand sanitizer, which I could have put in with the other small set piece in the other pocket, but it's okay. And then on this side, on the one next to it, I have another coin purse, rose colored glass, and this just has a hairbrush and some hair ties. And there is another key, little chain elastic thing right here that you can put your keys on as well if you wanted to put them inside, or something else that you wanted to put. So that is everything out of the Karla. So it is quite a big insert. You zip it up, you can see like that. So it's very, very nice. I really, really like this. Okay, so I'm just going to pack it up again real quick, and then we're going to see how it fits into the other bags that I mentioned earlier. I think the first one we will do is the Be Classy. I just got this one. This is the Amethyst Ice print, and I think it's really pretty. So I'm kind of curious to see if the Karla will fit in here. Now, be aware that you could take things out of the Karla and put them into each one of these bags in different spots if you wanted to. But this is just to show you, if you wanted to have one thing packed up with everything and then just kind of switch it in between, this would be a great option. So let's see if it fits in the Classy. I'm not sure, so let's see. Okay, so it does fit. I'm not sure if it would be something I would do. Let's unzip it and see if you can kind of get into everything. Okay, so let's take my nursing scarf out. So you could actually do it this way if you wanted to. Yeah, so that works. And then you just kind of zip up the Classy and you're ready to go. Okay, cool. That was something I wasn't expecting. So I'll just pop this out here and try the next bag. This is the Super Bee. So we'll see if it fits in. It's going to fit into the Super Bee. I've seen other videos with it in the Super Bee. So it fits very nicely into a Super Bee. You've even got more room over here to put a fuel cell or rolled up blankets or all sorts of things. So that's really cool. So I like that option. Next one is the Logan and Lenora carry-all. And I haven't actually done it. This is the first time I've even seen this. I had it in the packet. I haven't taken it out yet till just now. So this is something that I was planning on using for the beach, because you do have the waterproof lining in the inside and the poly canvas outside. These are really nice quality made bags. I have Logan and Lenora at Zahramay Boutique as well, and they're just very underrated. I think they're awesome, honestly. It has a magnetic closure. I'll do a separate video on this maybe, but let's just see how the Karla looks inside of the carry-all. I guess this is comparable to a Super Bee. See, this thing is huge, so you could put all sorts of more things in here, but if you wanted to kind of just zip this up and then just have your other things, like as I said, you could put a fuel cell like the Super Bee, you could put one in here because it's really, really roomy, and it's just, yeah, so very cool. So it fits in the Logan and Lenora carry-all. Last one I have is my Lily Jade Lorie, and this is in blush, and I'm just loving this art. I think this just looks lovely. I just pulled this out today. I'm like, I want to take this tomorrow. I have my fob on there by Get Fobbed. I think she looks gorgeous on the blush background. So let's see if the Kalla fits into the Lorie. Okay, so you wouldn't think so, but ta-da! I think it's a great option. And then look, it zips up. Ba-ba. So if I wanted something a little fancier, I could put it into the Lorie. So what do you reckon, guys? Which one should I do? Should I just take the Lorie tomorrow with the Kalla inside, or should I just take the Kalla? I haven't decided yet. Alrighty, so that is so cool. And you can even unzip like this. You could just kind of push those handles down, and so nice to have organization in a bag like this. Of course, there's all these other pockets in the Lorie that I could put things into. I'd probably end up putting my phone in there anyways, you know, because it's a quick access. But it is very handy if you're one of those people that just wants an on-the-go, already packed little insert, well, not in the little insert, but reasonably sized insert that you can just pop into your totes. The Kalla is a great option. So I hope that helped you guys get an idea of the NCO Karla insert and see how you like it. If you think that's something that might work for you, please leave me a comment below. If you like the video and you think maybe you give it a go, I'm really interested to hear. And if you have any questions, please pop them below too. I'll be happy to help you out. You guys have a great afternoon or great day, and thanks for watching. Bye.